Hi everyone, if you're like me and you've got, say, a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air, a MacBook, or maybe an iMac, and it's got USB-C on it. That's the latest USB connectors and they're great, they're fast, and you can use it for also powering your computer as well. And it's the same with the iPad Pro that I've got here, where I have got here a USB-C as well in there. So this is great and the power goes in there as well. So the problem if I had the iPad is if I plug anything else in, so any of these dongles. So if you've got USB-C, you need an SD card like that so that it's you can plug that in so you can read your SD cards. You might need an Ethernet adapter like this one so that you can connect to your router using a cable or to your network. And you might need a USB 3 to USB-C adapter like this. Or maybe, and another one, an HDMI connector like this, which also has a USB 3 and also USB-C for the power or to plug in something else. That is a lot of connectors that you need. And actually, to be quite honest, they're not always that cheap. However, you can get a USB-C hub like this, and it's made by a company called ELISA, and it has got here on it, it has got 3 USB 3 ports. You can see them there. It also has an HDMI connector. It has also got the Ethernet connector here and also USB-C as well, so you can plug in power or another, say, USB-C device. But just to top it off, when you think you've got everything you need, because it's actually quite a great device, you also have here an SD slot there, and you've also got a micro SD slot, which is useful if you've got something like a GoPro or a drone that uses micro SD. And normally if you've got micro SD, you've got to get the adapter and then you can put that into the SD slot. Now you don't need to do it, you can just plug it directly into here. So it's great because I can actually take my memory stick here, I can plug that in, and I can plug in other devices as well, and then I'm good to go. So this is good if you've got, say, an iPad and you've got to give it a bit of power. You could plug in your power here, your hard drive or memory stick here, and then you just plug it into the iPad Pro and copy your files across. If you've got the latest version, iPad OS 13 or above, you can now copy files from memory sticks, SD cards, hard drives, onto the iPad Pro and onto other devices as well, but it works particularly well, I think, on the iPad Pro. And then you can sync it with your iCloud as well, which is great backup. So really great device made by a company called Alleasa. The link for it is below the video in the description. If you want to know more, please do subscribe. There's lots of videos I have on there on a whole bunch of technology subjects. The link's below the video, so just click on that. And hope to see you all soon. Thanks for watching.